Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get glide ability in Evocreo 2. Start by identifying an Evocreo that can learn glide, then check its move list for compatibility and evolution paths. Gather the required items, such as the glider stone or teachable glider TM from vendors, and plan your party to support wings or aerial boosts before attempting to use glide in exploration or combat. Locate glider TM vendors near airports or mountain towns, and prioritize quests that reward aerial items early on. Check level-up charts for Evocreo that gain glide after evolution, and use experience boosters to reach that threshold faster. If you prefer instant access, secure a glider stone through merchant stalls or trading posts, then teach glide during downtime to avoid interrupting key battles or exploration objectives later in your playthrough. Practice timing glide activations at the peak of your jump to extend travel and maintain control over direction. Use speed buffs, tailwinds, or aerial upgrades to chain glides across wider chasms and reach hidden platforms. Be mindful of environmental conditions and enemy interrupts that can end glide prematurely, and plan safe landing zones with items or allies ready to assist so your Evocreo can recover and continue exploration with minimal downtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.